I've been getting lots of love and support for the previous videos, especially Steel Series 1, which has over 8K views. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate the heck out of it. That's why today, I will make another video showing how to claim the Nitro, so don't miss the video from start to end. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. If you don't know what Steel Series is, don't bother. Just know that it's collaborating with Discord and giving away free Nitro. So, first, download it in your PC. Also, it works only on PC. Now create a new account just to be safe, because sometimes they don't give away Nitro to old accounts. Either, you can claim the Nitro from here, or you can go to giveaways. Understood? Hope that's pretty easy. Now, I will try to get the key for the Nitro. Now you just need to click the Get Key. I remember it didn't work last time. They showed my email that used to register. You can click that blue paper plane icon right next to it. Hopefully I will receive an email. There we go. I received an email which is asking me to verify. Once you verify, you can go back to the Steel Series app. In Giveaways section, click Nitro, you will get a link. For mine, since I can't claim it because my account isn't new and had Nitro within 12 months, I will give it away. In order to claim this free Discord Nitro, you have to join my Discord server. The link is in the description, but make sure your account is more than 7 days old. Go to Primo channel. I will post the link when this video will be out. That way nobody can claim it before you do. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button for more free Discord Nitro news and tutorial videos.